How to add music to Instagram Notes. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this brief video, we'll explore how to easily incorporate music into your Instagram post. Whether you're sharing a personal update or starting a conversation, adding music can infuse your message with emotion and personality. First, ensure that your Instagram app is fully updated to the latest version, as this is relatively a new feature in Instagram. Open the app and navigate to your direct messages to create a new note. You can simply write anything you want. And to add a song or music to your note, tap on the music icon located under your profile picture to access the Instagram music library. Here, you can search for a specific song to include into your note. Once you have selected a song, you'll be able to trim it to 30-second segment. Choose the part of the song you want and tap on Done button. After adding the music to the note, you can share it with your friends and family. When someone clicks on your note, a window will appear displaying the note and playing the added song. This is how you can add music to Instagram Notes. If you found the video helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.